this is how close I was to that tornado. The truck stop is there. I've just pulled out. Fuck, that was one close one. Oh shit, I don't think I can get through here as well. I think that's one of my, I definitely think that's one of my 9 lives gone. Holy cow. Can I get through? Can I get through over there? Can I not get through?
You can't get through there. You might well, if you want to start banging up trying to get back there, because he's going to have to turn that away and bang those right here and go back. Which way you going? 40?
I'm going east.
You going east?
Yeah.
Okay, you got to go up there, get to the red light and...
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll try that way. Cheers, boss.
Yeah, okay.
I'll wait till he's turned round. Thank you. So, as you can see, these tornado things are real. Really got to watch the weather forecast. Blue Peterbilt behind me. We're gonna have to spin this round here. So, as you can see, that is.
Looked like a big truck came through here and took out a bunch of light poles.
Yeah, that's what it's looking like to me. We're gonna have to turn around.
No, it's a tornado. I see a bunch of buildings ripped and torn to pieces too. That's what that was, a tornado.
Yeah, it was pretty close to the truck stop. The truck stop's got no power or anything. Everything's down in there. It was pretty close.
Yeah, it touched down down here about 1 a.m. this morning.
So, shooing that car along. Shoo. Fuck, I thought it was rocking the boat last night. About 2 o'clock it come through. But Jesus, the roof on this building is all ripped up.